Welcome to Chilango's cooking channel. Today we're gonna make a delicious recipe perfect for the summer. This is ceviche de camarón
without using ketchup and considering salsa bruja. We're gonna make first a tomato paste where you have garlic powder, ginger powder, thyme, paprika powder, onion powder, cloves powder, mustard, 5 peppers mix. You can also use just black pepper, salt, sugar, apple vinegar, and Valentina style sauce. And all you gotta do is mix them all together. Let's move on to the shrimps. So all you gotta do is cut them by the middle and get rid of the membrane that they have, and then put them in cold water and we're gonna boil them. We're not gonna add much spices. Simply, you can add a bay leaf and then simply a tiny bit of salt. That's it. Let's cook them. Now the secret to perfectly cooked shrimps is that you're gonna cook them to 95 degrees Celsius, 203 Fahrenheit, and then you're gonna pass them into cold water, preferably if it have ice, in order to cook the cooking process. Now let's move on to the veggies. So all we're gonna do is cut some tomato, chop very finely some white onion, coriander as well, and we're also gonna put some chili. And what you're gonna do is you put some of the coriander and the chili into the mixture, but you leave some aside so people can decide if they wanna have more of it. Then we're also gonna add some avocado, perfect avocado we have here. And now we're gonna add some fresh orange juice. You can also use Tetra Pak, or you can even use soda, and some lime. And leave some lime aside as well so people can have some more. And we're gonna do the same with the tomato paste that we prepared, where we're gonna put some of it into the mixture, but make sure to leave it aside as well. Now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil and a pinch of oregano, and we're getting ready to serve our delicious Acapulco style cocktail shrimp ceviche. So I'm just adding here a little bit of coriander, and here comes the avocado. Señoras, señores, cevichito time.
This is the way you eat the ceviche, whether with salty crackers, or you can use the homemade tostadas. You can also use tortilla chips from the supermarket.
And this is the kind of dish that every bite you can basically add a little bit more tomato, a little bit more of the lime, of the coriander. It's really up to you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to leave us a comment, ring the bell, stay put for more videos. Provechito, see you next time.